In this tutorial, I want to show you a conditional formatting trick that you can use to have dynamic table-like formatting with alternating rows and the header without having to make a proper table that will even change as you go through and delete rows from your data. So as you can see, I'm deleting rows and the formatting is still staying the same. So to show you how you can do that in this other tab, I'm going to use this using a formula with the mod and the row function. I can talk about this more in depth in another video, but basically the mod function will return the remainder with a given divisor. It's like the mod of 3 over 2 is 1 because 3 divided by 2 is 2 with 1 remainder, and the row function. With the row function, we'll just return whatever row that we're in, right? So I can say equals mod. So the remainder of the row that I'm in, right? So I'm in a third row, and then divided by 2 will give me 1, right? And that's because I'm in row number 3. I'm in row number 3, and then that divided by 2 is 1. And row number 4, that divided by 2 is 0, and so on and so forth. Now, to combine that to conditional formatting, I'm going to first highlight the range I want to apply the formatting to, which is basically all this area right here. Now I'm going to go to Home, I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to select a new role. And I'm going to have this click on Use a Format to determine when to adjust the format. And I'm going to equals mod, so the remainder of the row that I'm in, comma 2, and then equals 0. And this is going to make, and doing it equals to 0 makes it to where every single even row has a fill as a fill, but doing equals to 1 makes it to where every odd row has a fill. Whichever one suits your fancy. This example, I'm just going to have it where where every odd row has a format. And now I'm going to select the formatting that I want to be applied to this table like formatting. For here, I'm just going to select the lighter green, for example, without any border. Click OK. I'm going to click OK. And I can see every odd row has a green color to it. Now I'm going to go through and do the same thing. Using logic, I'm going to say, well, if row equals 1. So I'm going to go through, highlight some of the range again. I'm going to go through conditional formatting. So Home, conditional formatting, new rule. Use a format select. I'm going to say, well, if the row is equal to 1, then apply a darker green. So equals row equals 1. So if the row that I'm in is equal to 1, or the first row, I'm going to format, and I'm going to have this be just a darker green color with a white font. So color automatic with a white font. And then I click OK. OK. Go back to the top. As I can see, the first row has a darker color with a good font. And now as you can see, now I have the dynamic table-like formatting that looks like a table, but it's not a table because it's conditional formatting, and I can even delete rows without having the formatting mess up because it's using a formula based on the row that I'm in. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.